beautiful people. Breaking news, just released by Zontes, the new 350X in some nice beautiful photos for you here. Don't forget you won't find this content anywhere else on YouTube, so please subscribe today. The 350X comes in 3 colours, released in China first obviously, in white, rose gold and black. As you can see from these photos, the bike has the new 41mm shocks on the front, has a new exhaust system, obviously the 3-force 8cc brand new engine. The fuel capacity has gone up to 19 litres. Height has been reduced to 795mm. As you can see from the pictures, it doesn't have a single-sided swing arm, which I think is better, less maintenance, so it'll be easier to adjust the chain. It's an absolutely brilliant colour, just like the 350V model, rose gold. Dual channel ABS, so they're both independent from each other, which I think is better. Well, I hope you like this presentation. Brand new, just released photos this morning of the 350X. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so you can join our journey. This is Man Mix signing off.